Welcome back to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're back up on the property today. We got some snow in the driveway, so we got to try to walk in to get to the barn, get to the tractor, and see if we can get this driveway cleared out. Let's go ahead and get started. And thanks for joining me. I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the people checking out my channel and videos, so thank you very much for that. Gotta let the glow plugs warm up.
A few moments later.
We got the tractor running. That's great news. I don't know if it's gonna get us to the driveway or not, but we gotta let it warm up for a good 10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna walk back to the car and throw a coat on. And let's see if we can get the day started here. So we were able to pick up a Massey Ferguson 1725 MB, I believe it is. So it's got the bucket and the backhoe on it. We got that up to the property, and I think this summer is going to be really, really great in terms of our abilities to get projects done. We've got so many things that we need to dig up and move around, and the bucket and the backhoe is going to be a huge, huge help. what, learning how to do that move, that's an asset. Well, we finally were able to make the pass, so that's great. I'm happy to hear that. Wanted to give you a little information about the tractor. So again, it's a Massey Ferguson GC1725M. As you can see, it's got the backhoe in the bucket. It's a really great addition to the equipment that we have available to us up here. I can't wait for spring and to see what kind of damage we can do with this thing. It's going to be a lot of fun, so I'm excited for spring.